Moving in America is not easy. It's expensive and it's very time consuming. If this cup can be taken away from me. Welcome back to Stanley the Explorer. In this video, I'll be packing because I'm moving from this apartment and I'm going to a different town. Today is on a Sunday. It's already late at 8 p.m. I'll be packing. I went to Home Depot to get these boxes. Those ones I got from Walmart. This film I got it from Home Depot. Bubble from Home Depot. The house right now looks disorganized. I want to pack everything so that tomorrow I can move out. Tomorrow. Everything is just everywhere. Today in the morning, I faced a disappointment. I received a disappointing message. Now let me take you back. 2 months ago, I made arrangements with a moving company and we agreed on everything and they'll come tomorrow so that they can help me to move out. Today is on a Sunday, tomorrow is on a Monday, and tomorrow Monday is my last day on this apartment. That's when my lease expires. So by 6 p.m. I'm supposed to have moved out of this apartment. On Friday, the move out company also called me. We went through everything, we agreed, and they were supposed to send 2 people to come and do everything. Like, we'll pack our stuff, they just come with a truck and they load everything and offload on the other side. In the morning, I received a message from the operations manager that some employees have called in sick, therefore they are short-staffed. So he gave me an option that they'll send 3 people to do the work, but the rate will go up. Remember, we had agreed on 2 people, but now they want to send 3 people. I'm like, instead of sending 3 people, let's stick to the first plan. If you have 3, send me 2. And he's like, no, they cannot come 2 of them. So you want the other person to work for free. Now he changed the story that I want him to make someone, to do illegal things, like make someone work for free. I was like, no, you have 3 people. We agreed on 2. Send 2 people. No. He just started arguing. And then he said, so I'll have to refund your money. So I was like, okay, go ahead and refund, but this is inconveniencing because today's on a Sunday. Most move-out companies, they have closed. Like, your hands are tied. Today's on a Sunday, they are closed. I wish it was like some days ago so that I could have time to make arrangements. But this is so inconveniencing. But luckily, I got, like, you just through friends, like a friend of mine will come with a U-Haul tomorrow and then we load everything. So tonight, I'll do the packing of everything in this house. But that move-out company, so disappointing. So right now, I'll just organize these boxes and pack everything. And then tomorrow, we'll be set to go. I love this. My desire is to visit as many states as possible. I need to add more states, as many as I can. All this food and these spices will go to one container. So it'll go to one container and then the food in the fridge will go to the other container. Frozen food and any other food in the fridge, they'll go here. It's already full. They still have some items remaining. So all this, I'll put them in another box. Packing is a lot of work. So I've already packed the books here, and some books over there. I still have a long way to go, but at least I'm moving. It's one step at a time, one step at a time. Good morning. I'm still packing. There's still so much to be packed, but I did like 3/4 and remaining with 1/4. So my friend is on the way with the U-Haul so that we can start moving. These are books, fragile utensils, fragile. There's so much. The food from the fridge and freezer will go there. Spices and food. The only thing remaining is these flowers and the wall hangings. I'll need help with this TV. It needs 2 people to put it in the box. So far, so good. Suitcases are ready. And the bed needs to be dismantled. I tried removing the lower panels, so it needs like 2 people to dismantle it. The truck is here.
Yeah, I'll try to hurry. Filming the big move.
Yeah.
My back?
Take care of your back and tell them when you got.
Oh, nice.
After one spine surgery, they take care of it.
Okay.
Yeah, they went in through here.
You did?
Yeah, I've had a cervical fusion for C3, or 4, 5, and 6.
What happened?
Farms. That's the only place to use it.
Finally, we are done packing. The apartment is empty. Empty apartment tour. This is a bedroom. Closet. We're still cleaning. We need to leave the place as clean as possible. I'm saying you're still cleaning. Pantry. Festus. Adios. Everything is out. Now this will be our new home.